Hi everyone, welcome to the online classes. In the last video, we are discussing about the some basic laws needed. Basic laws are also postulates of Boolean algebra, which are very important in solving the Boolean expressions. And last laws are we are discussing are commutative and associative law. Today in this class, we are going to discuss two more laws. One is a distributive law, and another one is absorption law. And where distributive law further divided into the two postulates or two expressions. Absorption law is further divided into three of the different laws. Here in the last video, what are all the 13 including associative law, properties of 0, properties of 1, commutative law and etc. laws. Those are 13 expressions we have discussed in that video, and for a proof purpose we are using just truth tables in that in those formulas or laws, basic laws or postulates. In this distributive law and absorption law, I have given the proof with the two of the proofs, two different types of proofs, where one is a truth table method and another one is a algebraic method. Here let us discuss one by one. First distributive law is here. Just look at here, x, and here in the bracket we have a y or z, operation of a logical addition between a y and z, where though that result will be ANDed operation with the x, that is also read as x and y, x and of y or z is equal to the x and y or x and z. This is the result. Let us see, let us prove this by, first one is a truth table method, where you know how to prove by truth table method, where you have to generate the result of this one LHS and generate the results of RHS, which results should be same. Here you can look at here, this is the LHS result, and this column represents as the RHS result. So these two are same, resemble same, so that this is the proof by the truth table method. And in general we can prove this this distributive law using the algebraic method. I will show you that one also. Proof by algebraic method, where if x is equal to 0, at the time when x is equal to 0, LHS is equal to x and of y or z. Just include this 0 wherever the x you have, 0 and y or z, where when you multiply or logical multiplication of a 0 with any of the variable or a result, you will get the 0 again. And consider the RHS x and y or x and z, and include the or just apply the value of x wherever you have the x, that is 0, and logical ending is nothing but a 0 again, 0 or 0, which will give you the 0. And apply the possible value, another possible values for x is 1, and you will get the value y plus z, RHS also y plus z. This will be the proof for a algebraic method. This is a algebraic method proof. This is the proof for distributive law plus first one, that is x and y of y or z is equal to the x and y or x and z. And another one is there, x plus yz is equal to x plus y and x plus z. This is the second distributive law, and I have given you the truth table method here. Just look at here, truth table method, and once observe this truth table. If you are getting, in the sense, that's okay. If you are not getting or are not understanding, in the sense, you can ask in a group, WhatsApp group. And algebraic method I will explain you. Algebraic method proof, where x plus yz is equal to x x plus y or x or y and x or z. This is the one, and I am here considering the RHS value first. To prove this one using the algebraic method, I am considering the RHS value. This is the different one, and you have to observe this one. It is easiest also, important also. This is important for examinations. Consider the RHS value where RHS is x or y and x or z, and multiply this one. This is the first step. Multiply this one, x multiplied with a x and x is multiplied with a z again. It will give you a x and x or x and z. And second variable, logical variable y is multiplied with a x and again multiplied with a z, gives you yx is nothing but a commutative law. Applying a commutative law, you will get a x and y plus y and z. This is the second step. And now x and x is nothing but a x again. This is the postulate, Boolean postulate. We have one of the postulate, that is x into x is equal to, or x and x is equal to, again it will give you the x and z, x and y, y and z. This is as it is, we have written. This is the third step. Next one, here in these three variables, the common thing we have is a x. So just take it outside. X, it will, here remains a 1, here remains a z, here remains a y. If you want to clarify, just multiply this one by every variable, you will get again this one. Okay na? Plus or y z, where 1 plus any variable gives again one value. We have know that this is 1 plus x again gives you the 1, where applying here 1 plus z is equal to 1, it will give remaining is a 1 plus y. Again this is also 1 plus y is equal to 1 again. So we have simply written 1 multiplied with a x is a x plus yz. This is nothing but a LHS here. This hence this is proof. And in your textbook they have given the solution for this one. Just check it out and write it on the notes. Then next one is the absorption law. Next one is the absorption law. This absorption law contains three postulates. First one is x plus xy is equal to x. Here I have given the truth table where yellow red columns will give you the RHS and LHS of that expression. Just you can go through that one truth table, and I will explain you the, I hope this will be easily you can understand. Truth table method you can easily understand. I will only explain the algebraic method, where x plus xy is equal to x. Here I used to call this as a plus, and you have to think every time it is a logical plus. X plus xy is equal to x. I will consider the LHS as a x plus xy, where just in these two variables common thing is a x. Just take it outside. X, it will remaining is a 1 plus y. 1 plus y is nothing but again 1 by the Boolean postulate. X into 1 gives you the RHS value. This is the first absorption law. X plus xy is equal to x. You have to remember these all things. This is very important in solving the Boolean expression. If you just remember these things, that is x into x plus xy is equal to x. If you are remembering these postulates, then it is easy to solve the Boolean expressions. And this is another one, second absorption law. X into x plus y is equal to x. This is a truth table method. You have to analyze, and I will explain the algebraic method, where I am considering the LHS value x into x plus y, which will multiply this x with this both, gives you x into x plus x into y. X into x is nothing but x again by the Boolean postulates only, previous postulates. X into x again written as x into y. Just observe the two things or two variables. Common thing is x, take it outside. remaining is